Hey guys, it's Will MC Games here for another Fortnite Battle Royale. We've got an intro to this video. Look at it. Yeah, we've made some clips, we've put them together. Hard work as well, you know. This is the part of editing that's difficult, not just filming the gameplay. Me and Chelsea, we went into a game and the intention was to take a thumbnail for the banner or for a thumbnail, and yeah, the game pans out really good. Me and Chelsea are having a good time, we're having a laugh. The commentary is what makes this game. It's a good gameplay as well, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you do, go on to leave a like or leave a comment down below, because we've got a banging gameplay with the new shotgun. We've got the heavy shotgun, and we use it a couple of times, and it's not bad. I think you should have a go with it, guys. But yeah, let me know what you think of this video, because we put a lot of effort into it and I appreciate all the support, and have a really good time watching it. I'm gonna see you in a minute. Adios. Hey guys, Will MC Games here for another Fortnite Battle Royale, pushing for a victory royale. Now I've messed up the landing a bit here because I don't know what I were doing actually. Look how much lower he is. I was just messing about, you know, being a kid. But okay, this is the trouble with messing up landing. I don't think people often know how important getting down first is. We're in good shape though. There should be a guy up here. Okay.
So he had a weapon.
Yes, he had a weapon, but he chose to run around with his pickaxe. What a strange fellow.
As you do.
Anyway, let's continue with our day. I've got to clear Tomato Town, and then I've got to grab a screenshot. So guys, you're going to see me squatting in a corner. Oh, I'm on a cliff edge. Oops, wrong one. What? Okay, we've seen someone land in the house I usually land in. He's probably halfway. Oh, he's there, look.
We've seen one of them earlier as well, you know.
What? Oh! Whoa, Chelsea, did you see that? Cracking headshot, Will. Cracking headshot, lad, if you do say so yourself. Where did he come from exactly? It's alright guys, we've got this covered. Get everything reloaded and then we'll find some bandages. I love it when you just think, right, I need to land a headshot here, and you do. It would? No, no wood. 2 pumps. Anyway, I want some stuff, but I've not been mining enough recently and it's been getting me killed. We're a little bit obsessed with gunfights. So, here's some healables. Look, what we got? They'll do. They'll do too. Oh, hello. One will do. And pump an SMG. I'm happy with that. What's up here? Ooh, no. Gotta take it out with Chelsea. Gotta take it. Right. Okay guys, when you try and do the gas station challenge, if you land at the football factory, or the indoor football pitch, and from there, head up to Pleasant Park, and there's one in Pleasant Park and one on the way to Pleasant Park, or do it in reverse. Do Pleasant Park and then make your way down there, and it's just so easy. It takes about 10 minutes. But I didn't realise there was a gas station at the indoor football pitch, because I don't really go there that often, to be honest. But I landed there, well, I landed at Snobby earlier, and I ended up spotting it along the way. Now, Chelsea, where would you like to take this picture of Tomato Town from? Would you like to take it from up on the hill?
I think you was talking this.
Yeah, let's look at the angle. it might be good to do it from this angle. You know, like looking over Tomato Town a bit more.
Yeah.
SMG? No. Like there looks good. Let's get up there and just make sure there's no one going to kill us. Okay. That's not a bad shot with the hillside in the background.
Good.
Right, let me put a wall behind me.
Oh,
You've seen someone?
they're quite far away, like
Good.
quick.
That'll get rid of my character, you see. Do you want to lose that piece of wood as well?
Yeah.
So you want me to get rid of this? Right. No, it's a floater. Right, Chelsea, when you're ready, take a screenshot.
Hang on. I want this tomato in.
Do you want any more, just in case?
Yeah.
Right, let's get right on edge here. There we go, look. Look at this one.
That's better. Where the tomatoes turn.
Get it?
Yeah.
Right, I need to turn all that stuff back on. Buddy! No you don't. Hey, jumping a poor fella who's relaxing.
How very rude.
How very rude of him. That's how you play, guys. That's how you kill someone who's jumping you. As you could see there, I was just chilling out, minding my own bit. Oh, goodness, Chelsea. I don't think we're going to make this. See how far we've got to go.
No.
I'll show you in a moment.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, we'll do that.
We'll make it, won't we? Us pros out here. I tell you what, that SMG, it's great, isn't it? He had a purple tack. Anyway, let's get a move on. We'll put more bandages on when we need to. It's alright, Trixie. Calm down. So I got an excitable chihuahua on my knee, guys. Not only do I multitask talking and gaming at the same time, I also have a strange little creature on my knee whilst doing it. It's pretty impressive stuff, you know. Right, that's 4 kills. That's not bad, really. So we're just jollying about. Got the original skin on as well, guys. We've noticed there's a bit of a trend at the minute. Not this pack. The first one you get in this season's battle pack. No end of people are wearing original skin with that same red and black backpack. I'm not sure what it's about. I'm not sure if it's like to represent something like National Hikers Day or what, but it's been a long day if it is. I've noticed it all week. Oh no. Oh no. Some guys at work say I need to have a trademark on here, and I think I found it. It's oh no. That's the trademark. And no one else noticed. Alright? I knew you were going to drop me in it when I heard you sniggering. Hey, little grass. Grass me up. Anyway, where was we? Keep making a move with my pack back on. At least the next storm's local anyway, guys. I ain't got to run too far. Been looted. Come on, guys. Show yourselves. I'm here.
Scenes.
Aye. Yes. There, right. Just gone past.
Yeah.
What the? Someone in it.
They look like they were there to stay.
They are psychos. There's a trap in here.
They made themselves a little house.
I know. What's going on, guys? I mean, where have these players come from? There's some right nutters on this game at minute. Some proper lunatics. I have found, me and Chelsea have a theory that quite a few PUBG players have came to this because we've come into contact with some players who are pretty good when you fight them, but they proper camping, and I mean to the point where they're setting up in a little house and they're sitting behind a box like this, and then you run in and they kill you. Now, we know PUBG, we've never played it, but we've got friends who play it and I've watched a lot of videos on it. I know that's a lot more of a campy game. Everybody just sits in a corner and hopes that they make it to the end. Now Fortnite's not so much like that, as we all know. Fortnite's more, oh, let's get stuck in. It's a bit more brutal. But we've got this new sort of player base arrived recently, I find, who are enjoying this sitting in the corner trick, which is okay, but you know when you're going in every house like I am and running around every avenue and alleyway, you're getting caught off guard. Oh, where are you, pal? This guy's not sitting in a corner, is he? Nice headshot there. One of them was a headshot anyway. There might be more people around here, you know. Can I have you, please? God, I thought we had 999 wood then. Won't let me pick any up.
This is such a bizarre game.
I know, we're just like relaxing.
Kind of slow and steady, but
it's flowing nicely, isn't it?
yeah.
I'm talking well as well, guys. I hope I'm keeping you entertained for this slow, steady massacre. I want my SMG back. I think I've fallen a little bit in love with it. Right. That was a decent thing to happen because now we've got so much bullets and so much wood. Right, okay. Where from here? I'd like a launch pad. It's one of them games where, like, I don't know, the action that we're seeing is just slow, one at a time. You know, some games you just keep getting jumped, don't you? I love the burst, but when you're shooting at walls, it takes too long to take them down. Can't get a kill. Yeah, I see them, yeah, Chelsea. They're in the bottom, look.
That's a gnome. There's a gnome!
I see it. Oh, this geezer doesn't know where behind it. Kind of busy, Chelsea. Jumping, shooting. Oh yeah. Oh, we gotta go with this, haven't we? Who the RPG guy though? We can't med up anyway, so let's just carry on. Right guys, 7 kills, 10 people left. We've got the new shotgun, which actually I'm not really excited by because I'm not quite great at using it yet. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what's occurring. Ah. Buddy, I went wrong way then. Cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. That shotgun's alright actually, his head got blown straight off. What am I doing here? I know this is foolish, you know. My dog's reappeared. She gets off, she gets back on. She gets off, she gets back on. Trixie, make your mind up. It's not a roller coaster. Come on then, up you get. Come on then. You can jump that. I know you're little. Right, sorry guys, I'm being distracted here by my mad chihuahua. Anyway, I'm gonna grab these bandages. So as much as I love the SMG, I'm going for a win with the shotgun. I've been saying to Chelsea all day, we need to get a win with the new weapon. Anna babe.
Yes.
So let's make it now, because this ain't a bad game. Not to say we grabbed a thumbnail shot as well. A banner actually, it's going to be for our banner. There's a guy over there. There's one, look, you see him.
Yeah,
I think so.
yeah.
We know he's got an RPG, right? Oh,
Nice.
I know. Goodbye, sniper. Okay,
Battle 2.
you having a laugh? We've got to move. I think we know where he is, right? This shotgun's alright. He's in there, yeah. I think he's just come out of it. 9 kills. He's down bottom, look, see him? He's behind this sign.
Now he's up there building.
Oh right, okay. Yeah, I've got to, haven't I, really? This is really risky. I'm in trouble, and he knows it. It's alright, he's not one for leaving his base, is he?
He's gonna have to. Is he in and that?
I don't know, don't matter though, I'm just going to keep running, right? Get ourselves medded up. We only have 86 wood left. Oh! Leave him over there a minute. Oh, he's hitting me. How? I'm round a corner. Okay, are we okay here? He's gonna come for us, isn't he? I bet it's fuming. Bet it's fuming, guys. Why have I taken that? Oh well, you never know. If I end up with 1 health, I'll be grateful. I think he's staying in his base, do you?
Could have.
Launch pad.
Ah, here.
He's opened the supply drop, yeah. Where was it though?
No idea, I didn't take anything like that in. Sounds like it's up here.
Well, should we just set up here? If I don't know where he's gone now, that's my problem. I know he has an RPG though. There.
I've seen it.
No, but I think I know where he might be. Okay, close in, Storm. Once that shuts, I feel a bit safer. There he is. There, look.
Come on.
Come on! Thank you. Where is he? There, look. Guys, we're gonna have this, don't worry. There it is! Booyaka shot! Messing about, taking banner shots. Woo! Victory Royale! Let's have a rocket ride. Original Speed. I'm happy, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Get ready for the next Victory Royale. Adios!